Right, welcome back. Let's do question 6a. Refer to the cumulative frequency curve alongside that represents the results of 80 pupils that wrote a test out of 60 marks. If it is given that the lowest mark was 8 and the highest mark was 60, then sketch a box and whisker plot from the cumulative frequency curve on question 6a. Right, so now the box and whisker is a graphical representation of our 5-number summary. So the 5-number summary remembers the minimum, the lower quartile, the median, upper quartile, and the maximum. So it will be like this. This is the box and whisker. It's going to look like this. I'm just sketching here a rough one. We're going to do the answer this question nicely. Right. So this one is the minimum, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and the maximum. Okay, and now you should have your scale underneath here. Okay, so we're going to do everything nicely. Right, so now we have the minimum and the maximum. How do we get the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile from the OGIVE? So now we need to find for the lower quartile, we need to find the quarter of our data set. We have 80 learners, so we have to get 1/4 of 80 to get the lower quartile, and lower quartile position, not the actual lower quartile. We're going to get the positions from that, okay? And then the median is half of 80. That will give us the position of the median. And then 3/4 of 80 will give us the position of the upper quartile, okay? Right. And then once we get the position, we can read from the graph. We have to interpolate and get our lower quartile, median, and upper quartile. Let's just do that. So now the first one, we're going to get the lower quartile. Let's start by getting the lower quartile position. So it's going to be 1/4 of 80. And then what do you get? The 20th position. Okay, so the 20th mark is going to be here, and then we read from our graph, and then take note here. This is from 12 to 24. It means you're counting in twos. So this is 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So it means the lower quartile is 20. Okay, please take note. This is the position. This is the lower quartile. Okay, it's just by coincidence that they are the same here. Right, and then we move on to the median, which is Q2 position. The median position is going to be 1/2 of the total number of data set, which is 80, right? And then it means the median is in the 40th position. And then we go to the 40th position, we interpolate, and then what do we get? Counting in twos, so it's 24, 26, 28, 30. So it's between 28 and 30. So it means the median is 29. The median is 29. Okay. And then let's do the upper quartile position. Right, it's going to be 3/4 of 80. Right, then this gives us the 60th position. The 60th position, then we go there to the 60th position. Let's see, this is the 20th position, the 40th position, the 60th position. And then we get our, what is this? Almost between 36 and 38. Almost between 36 and 38. So roughly 37 there. Okay. So it means Q3 is equal to 37. Okay. Out of 60. Okay, so now we have our lower quartile, median, and upper quartile, and also we have the maximum and minimum that we're given. We can plot our box and whisker now. Let's just do that. So remember, these are the values that we have for the minimum or the 5-number summary. So let's check our scaling here. This is 0 to 12. So there are how many? Divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it means each part represents 1. Okay. So 8, where is 8? Is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the minimum value there. Then 20, going to be 12 here. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. You draw your line there for 20. Then 29, again 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Draw your 29 there. And then 37, 37 just after 36 there. Then 60, the last one. Okay, so we have our 5 numbers here. Then we can draw our box and then we put the whiskers. Done. So this is the box and whisker. Okay, so that's how we're supposed to sketch the box and whisker. Let's meet when we're doing question 6C.